Santa eat his cookies?
Yep.
And drink his milk?
Yep.
Oh, and the reindeer took their carrots. Okay, hold on. I'll get it for you.
That's mine.
Hold on.
I got it. Mine.
Hold on. Let's see what it is.
That's a lot of toys. Look it.
Sparkle purse.
Yep. Let's see it. And look, Mommy.
Ooh, a headband.
I got scissors.
Scissors?
Yep.
Do you know how to use scissors?
And look at this, Mike.
Ooh, pipe cleaners. Those are fun.
Mommy.
Your favorite.
What's in here? Got a car. Oh, look, I got. How big was it? Look it.
Markers.
Yep.
Sandra must know what a good artist you are. Ooh, look at those beautiful bows. Your hair.
And look at that.
New toothbrushes. You needed new toothbrushes.
That's pretty. And
Is there a
Mike,
princess on there?
there's a Band-Aid.
No, that's just a, I think it's just packaging to show that there's a princess on there. Dandy!
Yeah.
What?
Yep. Another toothbrush.
Yay!
Candy cane.
Ooh, yay!
Another candy cane.
Should we give Daddy his stocking?
Another candy cane.
Oh my goodness.
Dad, get your stocking. Mommy, look what I got.
Ooh, jelly beans. Princess jelly beans.
See what's in there now.
Ooh, from the Lion King?
Yeah. And I got some of this. Watch.
Ooh, is that Pumbaa or Timba?
Timba.
Is that Timon?
Yep. See what's in there now.
Your stocking. Come sit down.
Hi. Open that. What's in there?
Your baby doll.
Look, I got mine.
Look, Santa ate cookies. Look, Santa ate some of your cookies.
Yep.
Reindeer ate all the carrots.
Reindeer are hungry because they work hard, huh?
Like my another one. Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I have to wipe my butt.
Okay.
Don't open that present, okay?
Okay.
Don't open all my presents there. That mine? I'll show you something.
That's for you, baby. From Grandma and Papa.
That one's for you.
No, it's for you from Grandma and Papa.
Look, Mommy.
Beautiful new running shoes.
I'll go wipe my butt.
Okay.
Don't open that present. Mine, this is so fun.
Say Merry Christmas.
Mine,
Yeah.
we're gonna go see your stockings in?
What? You want me to open my stocking?
Yeah.
Hey, a minute.
What?
Just a minute. Oh, that's hers.
Oh.
Ding dong. Where'd you put yours?
Put mine.
I don't know where you put it. Sit.
That's it.
Like,
Oh, 10th Christmas.
huh?
10th Christmas for her.
Yeah.
Dad for Stinky. I'm not a kid.
You're talking.
The worst.
Is that cool, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Hey, put your jammies on.
Okay, go.
Where's
Hey, you remember.
Yes, I did.
It's like,
what you got there?
stuff.
Is it? Ow.
Dad thinks Dad stinks.
Mm-hmm. And that you want candy.
That's it.
Okay. Where's my stocking?
Right there.
Right.
Right there, sweetheart. Where you left it. All of your stocking is right there.
There you go. I'll let you out in a minute.
Look, mine.
Ooh.
I have a lot of toys. And look, I got.
Ooh, chapstick.
Oopsie.
Dad can work on that.
What?
Things keep breaking off. Okay, I'm gonna open my stocking. Should we give Kenzie hers?
Yay. She has a monkey. And look, I got mine.
Ooh.
Tape?
Huh?
The tape?
The arms big.
She likes it. Scare her something. I'll throw it to her. Look at that. Kenzie. Kenzie. That's fun for her.
Okay, I'm gonna open my stocking.
What is it?
Ooh, it's a wrap-up hair dealy-doo.
Is that pretty?
Hmm.
And like I got mine.
Ooh, that's Flint Rider. And I got a baby foot. Mascara. Mommy needed that. You still finding stuff in there?
Yeah.
What? A new hairbrush. Ooh, and a beautiful new necklace
Like
that
mine.
says you.
Look at mine.
Ooh.
I have a lot of toys in my socks.
Mm-hmm.
You too.
Ooh, and I got flossers.
I can see your phosphors. Wow, they're green. And look at that, mine.
Hey, I know that horse.
Who is it?
Right? Huh?
Who is it?
That is, oh, what's his name? From Toy Story. What else is down there? Ooh, it's Daisy.
I can do it.
Okay. Does it light up? Sure does.
Wow.
Chapstick.
A free chopstick.
3 chapsticks. 4 chapsticks. And Mickey Mouse. Got got Minnie and her cat. That'll go good with your little Minnie Mouse playset. And bubble bath.
That's fun.
Mm-hmm.
What's in there?
Bubble bath.
Bubbles?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, Mr. Prickle Pants. His name is funny. Is it all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's open the present.
I'm gonna open this one, and then we're gonna take a break so Daddy can take Mackenzie out. Okay? That one's from Santa too.
Now let's see what's in this one first. Right? Don't look yet. Look.
Sparkle glue?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes. Look, Daddy.
Yeah.
Is it pretty? Let's go get some more
No.
presents.
Remember, I said we're gonna take a little break so Daddy can let Mackenzie out.
Am I?
Yeah.
Bring this present after?
Yep. As soon as Daddy lets Mackenzie out. We don't want him to miss it, right?
No.